Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. We have some amazing Menards deals to pick up today, so let's go inside and see what we got this week. It's an omen. I found a penny, and hell yes, I pick up pennies on the ground. Stepping over money. Here we have some palm olive dish soap, 25 ounce original, limit of 6. Here's the barcode if you want to scan it on your app. Make sure your store has it in stock, but it's one of the advertised deals this week. Everyone should be able to get that. So limited 6, we're right down the main drag. There's the front door. It's 6 and I didn't even throw it. It's like I'm an adult. Here we have the 4 packs of the Woolly fire starters. We've talked about these before in the past, but they are free. There is no limit, so you can get as many as you want. And the packages are kind of sticky, so don't pick them up if you don't plan on buying them. But there's the barcode if you want to check your stores. We also have these Go Fire fire starters, limit 6, free after rebate. Here's your barcode for that there. Same section, just above these other guys that were free. Here we have free earplugs, 6 pairs, foam earplugs, free, limit of 6. We're with tool pouches, those little containers, and cones. Anyway, limit of 6 of them. There's 3 in there. Let's grab 3 more and we get a box. Nice little display for the garage sale. Yeah. Right next to the devices that make your significant other more tolerable are the tinted safety glasses. Limit of 2 for those. Again, free. They're right here in the box. This paper was just sitting here, so I'm not being a jerk. It was already sitting there. Right up front by the cleaning supplies and stuff is the Bactive or Be Active, I don't know. 80 count wipes. They're a net gain and a limit of 12. And this is a rebate that started on the 4th, goes through the 14th, because I think these were free or a net gain or something once before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's 6. My cart is way down there, so we're making trips. Smart people bring their carts with them when they go shopping. Check this out. Look how fast of a learner I am. You only gotta tell me once. It's almost like I have a functional brain. Speaking of functional brains, that was 3. Here's coming 4. Got a little Uncle PJ life tip for you. That's 5. Tip is, don't be a drunk. Because when you're a drunk, you end up living in a shitty apartment with no AC. Uncle PJ life lesson. That's what you're here for. Now here's one that I actually want and need, because it is a gravel road liver. Not like a dirt road. I gotta wash my cars every time I leave. Or they just look really dirty and then people give you odd looks, like you don't take care of your vehicles. No, I've washed it 23 times this month. It gets dirty quickly. Anyways, this is a limit of 4 gallons. I use it straight, but I think it says you can dilute it like, there's directions for diluting it somewhere. Here we have some Sontax glue, a 4-pack. It was, where all that traffic is up there. That's why we're over here. There's no sign or anything, but it was on a little end cap by the desk up there. It's a limit of 6. I think I've been forgetting to show you guys the barcodes. So there's that one. Most of the stuff you should definitely have because it's in the ad. And the glasses. Active something. Oh, the earplugs. Is that all of it? I think that covers it. How'd this fall out? Look at it, we're making a mess. That's what happens when you throw stuff in your cart. Jeez. Act like an adult already, will ya? We got more pro tips coming up. So you guys remember the hand sanitizer from last video, which if you didn't see that video, you gotta watch it. So we picked up a ton of this and then sold it on the way home, and I also got free alcohol. It was the most amazing thing you'd ever seen in your life, so definitely watch the last Menards shopping video. But anyway, that's not the point here. So you spend $2.99 initially. Of course, you can use your rebate money, and it ends up being a net gain, and there's no limit. So this is the 8-ounce one for $2.99 net gain. This is the 12-ounce one, still a net gain, but you got to pay $3.99. So obviously, for as long as the 8-ounce is still in stock, we're going to go with that first, and then we'll go to the other one. Now here's the pro tip. When I bought these last time, the cashier had to scan every single one of them one by one. Actually, they scanned one bottle like 400 times, but they still had to scan each one, and the computer couldn't keep up, so we were literally just standing there doing absolutely nothing, waiting for the computer to catch up with us. So if you have them print you out a ticket, you can see this time I'm going to pick 200 up because that'll put me out of rebate money, and they can just scan the ticket now. And I'm not clearing off the shelf because, one, that's a pain for me, and two, then they just got to restock it anyways. So they're pulling the boxes from overstock, and they said it would take 10 or 15 minutes. I tried telling them, well, I can just pay for it now and I'll come back and pick it up later. Like, oh no, it'll only take a minute or two, and then it's like, oh, it'll take 15 minutes. Oh, well, yeah, I don't want to wait, but I guess I'm waiting anyways. I guess we can summarize as we go here. So we got about $80 worth of free stuff because I didn't buy all the free things, but those 12 infectant wipes were all a net gain of $1, and then this is a net gain of $1, and it's unlimited. I got the 12 because it's going to be a limited time and kind of for the video. But since we're buying 200 of these, we're going to make $200 there, and I'm using rebate money, which means you don't pay sales tax. I'm going to roll it into more rebate money, and we made $12 there. So $212 profit, and then we get some free stuff, and stuff like dish soap. Anyone can use dish soap. Car wash, I'm definitely using the car wash. Super glue, next time someone makes me mad, glue their lips shut, that problem solved. And we got safety glasses that can double as sunglasses. Pfft, making out like a bandit here. We made it back, but that was a rough end. Rough end. You can see they put all 200 bottles of 8-ounce hand sanitizer in a box that is perforated and made for rags. So it was falling apart before I even got a chance to try and get it into the trunk. So that's 100 pounds of hand sanitizer in a single box. I was really hoping for like individual cases, or at least manageable size boxes, not one huge box. And there was a whole ordeal at the cash register because there's some tag on the box that says there's 175 in there, and the lady's like, oh, we got to take them all out and count them. You're paying me for a dollar for everyone that came out. How about you just take the word of the employee that printed out the stupid paper? Nope. I was like, well, can we just call the people that put it in the box and they can tell us how many are in there? The whole thing just makes me think of all the people screaming for a $15 an hour minimum wage. No, this is not $15 an hour brain cells here, okay? This is $5.25 brain cells. I don't know if it's stupid or lazy or what, but who thought that was a good idea? Anyway, they're in the trunk, which was fun, because I'm 4 feet tall, man. This thing's high. You pick a 100-pound box up over your head that's falling apart. Anyway, we got it home. We'll get the rebate sent out. I got to break this down into reasonable sized boxes. Maybe 50 in a box to make them 25 pounds each. That sounds reasonable. Man, I'm worth $15 an hour. Alright guys, thanks for watching.